Out in the woods, trying to enjoy some peace and quiet, and some guy decides to start his leaf blower over there somewhere. And we came to the woods to have a nice cup of tea. I brought everything with me, little fuel gel stove, my trangia, and I forgot the water.
You're never going to survive in here.
I will survive in here. I proved it.
Surviving. What did you say?
Survive.
In.
Here.
I think you said in you.
Can't take you anyway. Yeah, so I still managed to rescue it because Lauren has now got a hot, warm milk drink with honey in it. Because I forgot the water. I forgot the water.
H2O.
I wouldn't be too good at surviving if I can't remember to take the water with me.
I
I remembered everything else. The tea, the honey, the trangia, the fuel. Well, got a mug there, but you know.
Oh. No.
Anyway, I'm in the woods.
And it's pretty.
And that's it, guys. Nothing else for today. Alright, bye. See ya.